This is one of the most important days, in my opinion, in American history. It's our declaration of economic independence. For years, hardworking American citizens were forced to sit on the sidelines as other nations got rich and powerful, much of it at our expense. But now it's our turn to prosper.
United States President Donald Trump dismissed concerns over the market chaos sparked by his widespread tariffs, comparing the actions to medicine as worried investors continued to sell off global stocks at a rapid pace.
But though, is there pain in the market at some point you're unwilling to tolerate this idea of a Trump put? Is there a threshold?
I think your question is so stupid. I think I don't want anything to go down, but sometimes you have to take medicine to fix something. And we have such a horrible, we have been treated so badly by other countries.
He stated that the United States had been treated unfairly by other countries because previous leaders had made poor decisions.
We have been treated so badly by other countries because we had stupid leadership that allowed this to happen. They took our businesses, they took our money, they took our jobs, they moved it to Mexico, they moved it to Canada, they moved a lot of it to China, and it's not sustainable. We're not going to do it. Now we have hundreds of billions of dollars is pouring into our country. On a monthly basis, it's pouring. It's already started because I put tariffs on. And eventually it's going to straighten out, and our country will be solid and strong again.
They took our businesses, they took our money, they took our jobs, Trump added. Trump remained firm in his approach of reciprocal tariffs. He said that
European, Asian, from all over the world, they're dying to make a deal. But I said, we're not going to have deficits with your country.
We're not going to do that because, to me, a deficit is a loss. We're going to have surpluses, or at worst, break even.
We're not going to do that because, to me, a deficit is a loss. We're going to have surpluses, or we're at worst going to be breaking even. But China would be the worst in the group because the deficit is so big and it's not sustainable. And you know, I was elected on this. This was one of the biggest reasons I got elected.
Trump's comments came as global stock markets continued to decline, driven by fears of a global trade war and a potential economic slowdown. On Monday, Taiwan's main TAIEX index and Hong Kong's Hang Seng index both fell by about 10%. Japan's Nikkei 225 index experienced a nearly 9% decline. In Singapore, the Straits Times index dropped by more than 7%. South Korea's Kospi index decreased by over 5%. Australia's ASX 200 index fell by about 6%. U.S. stocks were also expected to suffer heavy losses when Wall Street reopened following a two-day downturn last week that erased more than $6 trillion in market value.